Hi, I'm James from Fine & Country, and you've joined me here today in the delightful and sought-after village of Claverdon, where we've got this beautiful 5-bedroom country home. It offers 4 bathrooms, the most amazing open-plan kitchen, dining, living space, which opens out onto wonderful rear gardens. The property sits on over half an acre plot, and it's also got a triple garage with a guest studio and shower room above it. Let's take a look inside. You've joined me in the wonderful gardens of this beautiful home. I hope you've enjoyed the tour. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.